The solar system! The solar system! Hi kids! Before we start, this information would be helpful to understand the topic. Solid, liquid, and gas. Solid has a shape. You can clearly see it and feel it. It can be hard or soft. Liquids, like solid objects, can be seen and felt. But liquids have no clear shape. They only follow the shape of what you put them into. Water, milk, and juice are liquid. When you put them in a cup, they form the shape of the cup. Gas, however, is different. Gases are air, smoke, and others that can't be seen. Gases are free-flowing. Think of the wind. It's just floating around us. You can't touch it, and it's difficult to contain. This rock is a solid. The glass on top is also a solid. The ice cubes in the glass are all solid right now. But when the ice cubes melt, they become water. Water is liquid. The solid changed into liquid. If you transfer the water into a kettle and heat it, the water boils. This process transforms the water into steam, and steam is gas. This time, the liquid has become gas. There you have it, solid, liquid, and gas. They are also called the three states of matter. This is the planet Earth, the world we live in. Earth is part of the solar system. The solar system consists of 8 planets that revolve around the sun. Here on Earth, the sun is where we get our heat and energy from. The Earth is constantly rotating. The parts of the Earth that face the sun experience daytime. The parts that don't are going through nighttime. Earth has land, water, and an atmosphere. We have oceans full of life underwater. Animals and humans drink from freshwater sources like rivers and lakes. Water is important for a planet to sustain life. Plants and trees need water to grow. Humans and animals need plants for food. We use wood from the trees and materials from the ground to build our homes and the things we need. Earth is covered by an atmosphere. The atmosphere protects us from harmful radiation from outer space. The air we breathe contains oxygen from the atmosphere. Earth has everything we need and more. But people are also interested in things outside of Earth. There are people that study objects outside of Earth. They are called astronomers. Astronomers have observed planets near Earth through telescopes or by sending space probes and rovers to gather information. The other planets are completely different from what we have here on Earth. The nearest planet to the Sun is Mercury. It's the smallest planet in the solar system. Like Earth, Mercury has rocky land, but there's no liquid water. The surface has a lot of craters from meteors. It's very hot there, and there's no atmosphere. That means we humans, animals, and plants can't live there. The next planet nearest the Sun is Venus. Venus is even hotter than Mercury. In fact, it's the hottest planet in the solar system. It's full of volcanoes, and its atmosphere is thicker than Earth's, so more heat is trapped, making it even hotter. Venus is quite close to Earth. The other planet just beside Earth is Mars. Mars is a red planet, but like Earth, it has mountains, valleys, plains, and polar ice caps. Humans can't breathe the air in Mars, and it's colder there than the coldest place on Earth. Earth has 1 moon, while Mars has 2. NASA is planning to send people there in the future. Next to Mars is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, but compared to other planets mentioned before, Jupiter has no land. It is made up of only gases and liquids. Astronomers have discovered that Jupiter has 79 moons or more. One moon that they are studying is Europa. Europa is interesting because it has oxygen. Oxygen is what living things breathe to survive. Its surface is frozen, but scientists think there might be oceans underneath the ice. After Jupiter is Saturn. Saturn is like Jupiter, but it's made up of gases and liquids. It doesn't have a hard surface, so you can't walk on it. It has 82 moons. The difference from other planets, though, is that Saturn has visible rings around it. It's a charming feature of the planet. The rings are made up of rocks and ice. Further along the solar system is Uranus. It's a big planet that is made up of ice. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Finally, the furthest planet from the Sun is Neptune. Like Uranus, Neptune is an ice giant. It's a blue, cold planet, and it's the windiest place in the solar system. Click like and subscribe for more videos.
Miku Miku.